Hello, welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java. Here we're going to continue learning about the math functions. We're going to learn about rounding numbers, what we call taking the floor of a number and taking the ceiling of a number. So let me go and show you inside of this documentation what I'm talking about. If we go all the way down to the R's, actually, an easier way to do that, we'll just go to find, and we'll type round. Whoops, not found, round, like this. And we'll go down here. So round. So here we have a pair of functions. Basically, they're both called round. They're exactly the same thing. It's just showing you what happens if you put a double number inside and what happens if you put a float inside. And so basically, if you read this, it tells you it's behaving the same way that a rounding does in math. It returns the closest long number to the argument with ties rounding up, or it returns the closest integer to the argument with ties rounding up, depending on exactly what you pass to it. Very, very, very simple to use. So the easiest way to do that, just to show you really quick, is just we'll go down here and we'll do system.out.println like this. And inside of this, we can just simply go math.round. And we can do a pair of parentheses. Now we can just pass a number inside. So let's go and say, what happens if we have 1.25? What do you think we should have as an output? Remember, we're taking the round method, we're passing it a number, and this entire thing is sitting inside of a print statement. So the result of this is going to be what gets printed. The number 1 comes back as a result because when we round this, that's typically what happens. If we change this to 1.73 and hit this guy, it rounds up to the number 2, right? Rounds up to the number 2. And if we do something like 1.51, go ahead and save it and go up, it's also going to go up to a 2. And if we go just below, like